Good morning. Good morning. This is Jen. Um, it's 6:30 a.m. I'm driving to McDonald's. I logged into the app this morning, and so the Homeaglow app. I logged into the Homeaglow app, and I saw there was a $93 job, a cleaning job, for 4 hours in Richmond. So I decided to do that. I work during the week in a doctor's office doing medical billing and coding, and on the weekends the last month I've been doing these gig apps, DoorDash, Homeaglow. I signed up for Instacart. I'm on the waiting list for Spark, Walmart Spark. So that's what I've been up to. And I can't start the cleaning job until 1 o'clock, and that's okay because I have a CEU class, a continuing education class for my medical coding certification at 10 a.m. So I'm going to do that until 12, and then I'll go over to the house and clean up. And I'll catch you then. Hi guys, so I'm going to make a stop before I go to my CEU class. I'm going to go into Dollar General and get some cleaning supplies and some personal items I need, and then I'll be on my way to Richmond. So this client has pets. She has cats, and she's asking for dusting. So I'm going to get this, actually, I'm going to get, do I want this or this? Do I want this $10 one? Oh, this one is $6. This one is $6, and it says it's for pets too. And it has 2 cleaning heads. Let's see what else we can get. I could get these disposable gloves. There's 50 for $8. Or I can get some reusable cleaning gloves for $1. I think I'm going to get these reusable gloves for $1. And these would be my bathroom cleaning gloves. And then these gloves will be for cleaning everything else. And it's 2 sponges for $1.75. So I'm gonna get that. Now for my personal items. So I put this duster back because I saw these 2 dusters. It's a $1 kit, and there's another one here that's a $1 duster, reusable. So I'm gonna get one of these. So this is the last thing I needed. It's a cocoa butter lotion. Now I'm gonna check out. So I did pretty good in there with the cleaning supplies. I only spent about $7.50 on that. So that'll be an expense. I'm going to keep that receipt for tax time in case I need to write it off. And now it's on to my CEU class for my medical coding certification in Richmond, and I'll see you there. I'm going to make another stop. I see gas here at this raceway is $2.89 a gallon, so I got to stop and get some of that. Okay, so I filled up. It took $24 to fill up my car. Hello, so I am at the hospital in Richmond, St. Mary's, where we have our weekly meeting. I'm certified with AAPC, the medical certification, as a certified professional coder. So we get 2 credits, 2 CEU credits for these meetings. Sometimes they have classes online, Zoom classes, and sometimes those are more credits, maybe 3 or 4 credits. But this one is only 2, and I think I need 36 CEU credits for the year, but I already done some, so I think I'm at, after this one, I'll be at 24 or 25 credits left to get for the year. I don't know what the topic of this class is. Hopefully it goes by fast, because sometimes these classes are kind of dry. And then it'll be on to my cleaning job. And that starts at 1 o'clock, and this class ends at 12. I might stop and get some lunch at Noodles and Company since I'm in Richmond. And that's my favorite place, one of my favorite places to eat in Richmond. The other one is Lee's Fried Chicken on Broad Street. I like that place. But today I think I'm gonna get Noodles and Company. All right, I'll see you after this class. This is the hospital where we're having the CEU class, St. Mary's. It's a pretty hospital. Hi, so I'm done with my CEU class for my medical coding certification. The topic was food as medicine. So it was pretty interesting. I don't know what the guy's credentials was. I don't know if, I know he had a PhD, but I don't know if he was a nutritionist or something like that. But he talked about how food can be used as medicine for your mind and your body. So that was pretty interesting. So now I'm going to Noodles and Company to get some lunch, and then I'll be on my way to my Homeaglow cleaning job. Talk to you later. Here's Noodles and Company. Time to get some lunch. Pick up for Jennifer. Oh, I should have a cup. Oh, it's in there. And it's extra short?
Yes, double short.
Okay. Oh, sure. Silverware is in there. Yep, it's in there. Let's see what I want to get. Let's get some Bart's root beer. Too much ice. Secured the bag. Now it's time to go to the cleaning job. Hi, so I'm back home. I did the cleaning job. It didn't take me 4 hours. It took me 2.5 hours. But I haven't figured out in the Homeaglow app how to adjust that. So I'm only charging her for 2.5 hours instead of 4 hours. So I'm going to try to figure that out. I'm starting a cough and my throat is kind of scratchy. So I don't think I'm doing anything tomorrow but resting. I'm just going to have a lazy Sunday. I might go to church. Or I might watch the service on Facebook page for my church. Not really sure right now. I just feel like I need to rest. For the past month, I've been either doing my 9 to 5 or the gig apps. I haven't had a day off in a month. Maybe it's starting to get to me. So I'm just going to take a day off and get some rest. And plus I need to catch up on my schoolwork. I go to school online. Getting my bachelor's. This is my last semester of my bachelor's of healthcare management. I couldn't go to nursing school this semester, so I said, why don't I just finish up my bachelor's degree? So that's what I'm doing, and I have a lot of homework to do. So I'm just going to do that tomorrow. And so this might be the end of my gig weekend. And thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Ask me any questions you might have about the Homeaglow app. Or about medical coding, because I did talk about medical coding today. Or about anything I talked about. All right, I'll see you next weekend. Bye.